Hey, it's Chris from ROE Dental Laboratory, and today's discussion is going to be on veneers and what records do we need and how does the process work for you and the lab. The very first thing we recommend is to give us a full face, full smile photo of the patient, and an exaggerated smile photo as well will help. We always recommend let us do a digital mock-up for you and the patient. Whatever the new desired look is, we can of course do a very nice digital design with that. We can do some crown lengthening. We really take our time with this because we want to make sure that you get the patient's buy-in once they review their new smile. So once they've accepted treatment, then of course we want upper, lower, and bite records. And you can also send a study model from there as well. It'll of course help us with the designing of the new veneers, but not mandatory. From there, we're going to send you a digital wax up. Now, this is going to be obviously the wax above their new teeth, so you can sit down with the patient again and have them kind of re-buy in on their new look. If there's any changes, let us know. The nice thing about the digital wax up is you can keep that as your kind of a follow it when you're prepping the teeth as well. You can refer back to that. From there, we are going to send you a prep guide and a temporary matrix as well. So again, another way to kind of help make sure these are all accurate, a very nice prep guide. And if you want to make temps, you can do that yourself, but we can also make a very nice temp matrix for you. Once that is completed, teeth are prepped, you'll take another impression, send that over to the lab. And from there, we are going to go right to the final veneers to get that patient the smile they've been looking for. If you have any other questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. Also check us out on our website, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.